Here are my top 5 tips to go from broke to a millionaire by age 30. Make sure you stay until the very end of the video where I share my most important tips for growing your money and achieving financial freedom. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Number 5, reduce non-essential expenses and be frugal. Embracing a much more frugal lifestyle is definitely something I suggest. Being frugal means being economical with your cash and staying clear of extravagant and needless expenses. Begin by watching every single dollar you spend each day by making a budget plan. This really helps you remain within your spending boundaries. Practice being disciplined and self-controlled, and this can stop you from making impulsive purchases while you're shopping. If you're having difficulty keeping track of your daily expenses, try using expense tracker apps. And yet another useful alternative is to use Excel spreadsheets. Each day you can examine your expenditures and find out what you probably shouldn't be spending money on. Here are several more suggestions to decrease your expenses. Reduce lifestyle costs. Let's presume you are the kind of individual who likes eating out in restaurants several times a week. It's a smart idea to begin cooking more of your meals at home. This simple change can really help you to stay away from the high costs of eating out. By cooking and eating more at home, you will allow yourself to cut your month-to-month costs by $200 on average. That's like saving $2,400 every year. Decrease your energy bills. There are a number of ways to save money on your utility bills. For instance, you can use energy-saving light bulbs, a smart meter, and insulate your house if you haven't already done so. A smart home meter can allow you to make better energy decisions and regulate your bills. It can give you exact real-time data on your total energy usage. Because the gadget can be set to turn off when it's not needed, it can stop your electrical appliances from continuing to run and burn up energy. Insulating your home can protect against losing heat through roofs, walls, windows, doors, and floors. With appropriate insulation, it ends up being easier to reach the heating and cooling demands without your air conditioner or heater operating longer than it has to. Stay away from high-priced premium brands. As a buyer, you have a number of lower-cost brands on the market providing high-quality products or services that can meet and perhaps even surpass your expectations. Remember, high-priced products or services do not always mean supreme first-class quality. Don't hesitate to check out the somewhat more affordable brands and take a mental note of your satisfaction. You probably won't even notice a difference. However, you will see a big difference in your financial savings. Number 4, get rid of any debts first. Financial debt can stop you from becoming wealthy, particularly if you have various loans that have high interest rates. Debt only takes away from your future earnings. Furthermore, it might entice you to continue shelling out more cash than you have the means for. If your debt doesn't come with any future value, then it's called bad debt. And the very best action to take with bad debt is to pay it off. A great example of bad debt that you should get rid of as soon as possible is credit card debt. You want to get rid of it first because credit card debt can really take a chunk of your money due to the fact that it compounds a lot quicker than your greatest investments ever could. Simply put, you're very likely to have a debt that exceeds your earnings and capability to pay it off. Getting away from debt might seem much easier said than actually done if your money is spread out thin. Fortunately, there are several useful ways to minimize your costly debts. First off, the cash you save from being more frugal could be put to use to pay off your debt. Second of all, you can always check out debt refinancing or debt consolidation. Debt refinancing consists of getting a loan with more ideal conditions and terms to replace your current costly debt. This can allow you to save a lot of money on interest rates. Additionally, you might want to try using your savings so you can pay more than the minimum payment required so that you can pay down the debt quicker. By using the debt consolidation alternative, you can transform your credit card debt, expensive student loans, and personal loans into one single manageable debt. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. When it involves debt, it's best to look for expert financial guidance from a professional. Once you are debt-free, you'll immediately feel much better. Number 3, deal with money like a rich person would. Rich men and women have a money growth attitude. They concentrate on investing cash on financially rewarding endeavors. Rich people are ready to go after new ideas simply because they strongly believe there's constantly more cash to be made. In addition to that, they aren't looking for immediate gratification. Don't throw away your money on items that decrease in value, and don't waste money on things that won't generate cash flow. Acquire assets and stay clear of or minimize liabilities. For instance, items such as home appliances, cars, entertainment items, smartphones, computers, and clothes you should be frugal with because those items decrease very quickly in value. I can't say that you should stay away from these items altogether, but it is in your benefit to be very mindful and aware of where your money is going and how much of it is going there. The wealthy wouldn't continue to be wealthy if they constantly threw away their money mindlessly. Master the art of taking complete authority over your finances. You ought to organize a budget plan and take note of your spending habits so you understand exactly where your hard-earned money goes. Automating your finances can remove the anxiety of taking care of your money. The moment your paycheck comes in, the money is sent out to exactly where it is expected to be. Your bills will be paid for on schedule and money will be stored in your savings without you ever needing to do anything. In addition, you can easily see if you have any money left over to spend on things you enjoy. You can also adjust the automated method to operate best for you. Here's an example of how automating your money can work. Give 10% of your income to your 401k and Roth IRA plan. Save 5% of your income for events such as a holiday vacation, a wedding, and a down payment on a house. Use 50 to 60% of earnings to pay routine bills like utilities, rent, debt, Netflix, gym, and so on. Spend 20 to 35% of your income on things that make you happy. Number 2, invest your hard-earned money. Investing is an intelligent strategy to increase your money and become wealthy. It is essential to keep in mind that financial investments are risky. For that reason, you must select your investments carefully. A single wrong investment has the potential to be extremely expensive. Here are a handful of good tips you might want to think about. Invest in real estate. Many people believe real estate to be one of the safest financial investments to build up wealth. Having said that, it generally calls for large amounts of money to start off with, and you might not have the ability to get a lot of money right now. If you currently have sufficient money saved up, then real estate might be a great option for you. Research and study the very best locations to place your money. Regardless of if you're developing, selling, or buying real estate properties, the financial rewards are definitely motivating. Invest in shares, stocks, and mutual funds. You become a shareholder of a corporation the moment you invest in stocks. You're allowed to be a part of the assets and earnings of the corporation. Once you're a shareholder, you can earn money by selling your shares or through dividend payments. Investing your money in stocks can possibly allow you to grow your money if you make consistent investments over an extended period of time. The average yearly return is believed to be around 7%. This implies your original investment will double in 10 years. It's good to remember stocks can go either way. Therefore, prior to purchasing your very first stock and placing it on autopilot, at the very least, be sure you've understood the basics of stock investing. Mutual funds aren't as risky as stocks. You can diversify your assets more with mutual funds. It can include a blend of bonds and stocks or 100% stocks that aren't completely of one particular corporation. If the unimaginable occurs and stock prices decrease dramatically, you won't be knocked back like you would if you only purchased individual stocks. Invest in businesses. Business is a large topic. While there are numerous business possibilities, it's a good idea to invest money in a business focused on your skill sets, hobbies, passions, and talents to boost your likelihood of success. Simply put, you should concentrate on a kind of business you would enjoy investing your time in even when things are slow and don't go as planned. Before I move on to tip number 1, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell because it really does help out the channel and I appreciate it. Also, type the word yes in the comments below if you are going to take action to become a millionaire. Number 1, create several sources of income. Creating multiple streams of income needs to be a goal of yours if you want to be a millionaire by 30. You don't automatically have to leave your day job in order to launch a small business. Here are some suggestions for creating multiple streams of income. Start a blog. It's very easy and simple to start a blogging site, and you can operate it from just about anywhere. Similar to a lot of strategies, a blog is not a get-rich-quick approach. Having said that, blogging is a fantastic way of producing a new source of cash flow. It takes some time to receive the financial rewards, but it's worth it. When beginning a blog, I'd suggest concentrating on a topic you're interested in. For instance, if you enjoy cooking, you might launch a food blog to talk about a variety of recipes. In order to generate income from your blog site, you'll have to monetize it. You can look into email marketing, affiliate marketing, selling ebooks, securing sponsorships, selling online programs, and so on. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money. It's perhaps the simplest and one of the most effective approaches to making money online. Essentially, you endorse another person's products or services with your blog or web page. For instance, if you have a cooking blog, you could do a whole blog on your favorite kitchen tools. And if any of your readers purchase those products, you get a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is that the majority of the programs are totally free to sign up with. And with numerous businesses providing a wide range of items to select from, it's quick and easy to pick a product you're interested in. Physical products. Selling physical products can also generate extra income. All you have to do is get a manufacturer to collaborate with. And after that, focus on optimizing your listing on the internet. You can offer popular products that individuals tend to purchase regularly. If you want some more side hustle ideas and if you want to build a 6-figure income with your side hustle, click the video on the screen. Here I'll share with you exactly how to turn a hobby into a money-making machine.